Hello all, myself Christy Verghese. I'm an author, aptitude trainer and one of the top educators in Unacademy. And this is the book I have written for CSERNet Part A section. If you're searching for printed study material for CSERNet Part A, this is currently the bestseller book. And the details of this book or the link is available in the description of this video itself. And these are the other books I have written. And if you want to get regular updates from me regarding my upcoming free classes and other resources for general aptitude and Vedic maths, you can be part of my WhatsApp group or you can be part of my Telegram channel or Telegram group, Christy's Classes. And this is the Unacademy profile of mine. In the Unacademy profile, Christy Verghese, you can see 250 plus free classes available and 18 plus full courses available. Full courses you can access by Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription with this referral code CC10. And there are two new plus courses I have started from February 1. Those courses details I will tell towards the end of this video. So in this video I will be discussing this question which came in November 2020 CSERNet in the physical science set. PQRS is a rectangle inscribed in a quarter circle as shown. The area of the shaded region is 24 cm square and PQ equal to 6 cm. Then the area of the quarter circle is what? So area of the quarter circle means quarter of a circle. Circle area is pi radius square means quarter circle area will be 1 by 4 pi radius square. So the problem is what is radius we don't know. If you can find the radius you can find the answer. Now from the picture if I join this PR length, that is clearly the radius. So finding that PR length is the important fact. For that PR and QS is clearly equal because PR and QS are diagonals of this rectangle PSRQ. That is very obvious. Diagonals of the rectangles are always equal. So they both are equal. As they both are equal, you can use Pythagoras theorem to find this QS length which is equal to PR length. So find this length using Pythagoras theorem because question says PQ is equal to 6. But the problem is PS length we don't know. Let that be X. PS length. How to find PS length? You can find PS length using the idea that area of the shaded region is 24 cm square. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. The base is 6, then height is X. That means half into 6 into X is equal to 24. Simplifying that, you will get the answer. You will get the value of X. X is equal to 8 cm. X is equal to 8 cm means PS is 8. That is enough to find QS because this is 8, this is 6. So what is QS? Using Pythagoras theorem or the concept of Pythagorean triplet. If you know 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet, you can directly say. In my free classes I have given more information about what is Pythagorean triplet, how to identify them and all. Otherwise your traditional approach in school days is using Pythagoras theorem like this. That way also you can do. So that is 36 plus 64 square root will be 100 square root, that is 10. That means QS length will be 10 using Pythagoras theorem. So QS length is 10 means we can say PR length is also 10 because as I told rectangle diagonals are equal. It's a very good geometry problem. So this is also 10. And that is clearly the radius. So we understood that the radius is 10. And as this is a quarter circle, 1 by 4th of pi radius square is the area. Radius is 10 means 1 by 4th of pi 10 square is the answer. That is 100 pi by 4. 25 pi will be the answer. Second option 25 pi. These are the two new full courses starting from February 1st. February 1st we will have a course, booster course for basic math and arithmetic with Vedic maths. 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. is the live course. And the 8th of February will be starting complete course on general aptitude for CSERNet 2021. That is a full-length course for upcoming CSERNet covering complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions of the general aptitude section. The timing of the course is 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. These are more details of the course. This course is designed especially for the upcoming CSERNet exam, and you can download the notes after every class as PDF, and there will be separate doubt clearing sessions also. and all my courses are equally useful for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science CSIR NET aspirants. This is the complete schedule of the course. 60 lectures, total 90 hours. Each lecture will be 1.5 hours. And this is how you can be part of the Unacademy Plus platform to attend this course and to attend all the other courses of mine and all the other courses of other educators, that is your subject educators also. CSIR UGC NET subscription with the referral code CC10. Use the maximum credits available in your profile to get maximum discount for your subscription. And this is the other course, Vedic Math course or Basic Math and Arithmetic Learning course. Those people who fear math, this course will be useful for improving your arithmetic skills and improving your basic concepts of math. This is more details of the course, and learning these courses you can do your subject part arithmetic steps also faster. And this is the complete schedule of this course. 46 lectures of 1.5 hour each, 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. from February 1st till March 31st. So both these courses I welcome you to attend. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.